Just brew yourself a cup of coffee, and with one click, your company or organization will own a complete HR system, managing everything from A to Z. Hello, welcome to ViPeople, the world's first community-based HR software platform. ViPeople helps businesses manage attendance tracking, leave management, overtime management, employee records, payroll, and complete HR workflows, completely free. Full ownership of your data, processes, and system. Step 1. Prepare the environment. Prepare a server or a local machine. Normal configuration is fine. Make sure all employees can connect via the same LAN or internal network. We will provide additional setup videos if you need guidance on configuring internal networks. Step 2. Install ViPeople. Extract the downloaded .zip file. Copy all extracted files to a folder on drive C or a preferred location. Open the .env file, adjust the company/organization information. Optional. Review the readme.md file or the video description for quick setup instructions. Run the install.bat file as administrator. Right-click Run as administrator. Installation time, around 20-30 minutes depending on your machine and network speed. Note: if installation fails, you can simply rerun the install.bat file to continue. After installation, it's recommended to restart your server and add Docker Desktop to Windows Startup for automatic service launching. Step 3. Access ViPeople. Open your browser. Visit http://localhost 8080. If you see the login page, congratulations, your business now owns a fully functional private HR management system. ViPeople is not just HR software, it's a community-driven platform. Own your data, streamline your operations, grow sustainably and freely. Share ViPeople with your partners, colleagues, and the community to build a stronger and more independent HR ecosystem. Need support? Simply reply to the registration email or click the support button on the homepage.